It's raining. Again. I washed my car and it started raining. I'm on my lunch break and I'm pretty much just don't want to get out of the car because that means getting in the rain. My hair is gross. It's like really doing horrible things like it always does when it fucking rains. I just want it to be poofy again. God, I look dead. Well, whatever. I got me some Dairy Queens. I wonder if you saw the trash in my floor just then. Whatever. My car's disgusting. But I was pretty much just bored and nobody's really here right now, so video. I'm pretty much done with this.